This is our Ice Princess resin tutorial in our Crystal Edge bee mold. It's got super sparkly edges and I can't wait to start. On this pour, I'm using Rowney Indigo acrylic ink. It has 7 drops in 1.18 ounces of resin, and I'm using Pro Resin by Resin Pro, which is a medium viscosity resin. Then I have Rubine Red by Liquitex, 4 drops in 1.01 ounces of resin. Let's Resin Ocean White Pigment Paste, 2 drops in 1.35 ounces of resin. And then I cannot pronounce that name, but I will have it in the description below. 2 drops in 1.6 ounces of resin for the push. I have a little bit of clear Ikea glass and iridescent glass beads and some Abyss metallic chunky glitter. I also have 1.52 ounces of clear resin for the bottom. I waited to pour until the resin was at 32 degrees centigrade. Or is it Celsius? I never remember. I'm always doing these videos so late at night. Just tapping the mold there to get rid of some air bubbles. This is very similar to our colorful bubbles pour I did, our number 60 video. I'm just taking the colors and just drawing lines, top to bottom, left to right, right to left, just filling up all the negative space with color. I think with this color I actually end up going around the edges as well, because I never follow my own rules when I'm doing a pour. It's funny, I just tried this pour with circles and it didn't work out at all. Have no idea why. And here I've got the Rubine Red just doing the same thing on top of the Indigo. Just left to right, top to bottom, filling up all the blank areas with lines. This was originally based off the geometric pour by Sunfire Designs, but since I can't follow any geometric pattern, I just started doing random lines and I loved the way it looked. I especially love that colorful bubbles number 60 video. And here with the white, for some reason, I tend to get it very heavy in areas, and I keep saying I'm going to use a pipette or a piping bag to do it. Maybe on the next one I'll try that. But here, just filling up again all the negative space, lines left to right, top to bottom, half circular lines, half of the mold lines, just putting it in the empty spaces. I then take that blue color that I can't pronounce and do it for the center push. This opens it up a bit so I can put in the glitter and the glitter glass. I have that in a little bit of resin just so it sticks together in the center and doesn't go drifting off. I put quite a bit in there, it looks like. Using a little bit of a torch to get rid of air bubbles. And now we just wait for the pattern to close up. I could have used a little bit more resin in this mold. Next time I will. Just getting rid of some of the white on the edges there. And now, after it's cured, it's time to demold. Gosh, I love those colors. And that center push doesn't leave a blank area in the center. It's a little bit too white, but I like it. Let us know what you think in the comments below.